make a cheesy potato soup in my Deluxe cooking blender, and I just thought I might as well jump on live and show everybody how to do it. I've never made a soup in my blender before. I've used it for other things, but I have not used it for soup. This is the recipe I'm going to use in the book, and I'm going to do the cheesy potato soup. So I've got most of my ingredients ready, and all I have to do is add all of this to the blender. It's going to cook it, blend it, and my soup will be done, I think, in about 30 minutes. I'm really not sure. Here's my 2.5 cups of vegetable broth that I'm pouring in, and the important thing is to pour these in the order of the ingredients in the book. So I'm going, and next I'll be putting in my 4 tablespoons of butter, and then I've got my 1 teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves. It's going in there. And 1.5 cups of potatoes. I'm just going to eyeball it, and I just have to really chop them loosely. So I thought I'd leave that to do on this live, otherwise the live would last about 5 seconds. I think I'm going to add 1 more, and I'm leaving the peeling on because that's a lot of good nutrients, and it's all going to blend up anyway, so that's good on my potatoes. Now I'm going to do 1/2 of an onion, and again I'm just going to rough chop it. Put it in there. Carrot and celery, 1 stalk each. And then my garlic, I forgot to get it out. Good thing about our garlic peeler is you don't even have to peel the garlic. You can just put it in there and it's going to peel it for me. I'm going to use 2 cloves of garlic. We've got a neat little brush that you can clean the garlic press with too when you're done. There's a little brush that just cleans this so easily. You just push it through the hole. It looks like a Barbie brush. Just put it in the holes and it'll clean it out, and then you can wash it, of course. Makes cleanup easy. And then that looks like all I'm doing until after the soup is done, and then I'll put in 1/2 block of cheddar. This is 4 ounces, and a little bit of pepper, and my soup will be done. So let me put the lid on this. Dump this down. There's a little lock here, so the lid is locked. The blender is locked, and now I'm going to plug it in. Turn it on. I'll show you if I can. There's the setting. And there it's just doing its thing. It pulses for a while, and then it'll sit for a while, and it's heating, it's cooking, and it's going to town. So